Hi, my name is Thomas. I have my own company that does Notion full-time. But 5 years ago, I was taking clients for $50. And it took me 1 month to complete the project. This video is for you who's trying to get started and 5 ways that actually kept me going and eventually making this a dream job for me. So number 1, I think when I first started out, I was building a lot of different Notion templates since it's so easy to build. But the problem is just that nobody actually wants my stuff because I'm building for myself. One key thing I learned is that before even building anything, just talk to people. So as an introvert, I struggled with that. What helped me was just to build the routines every day. So every day I'll reach out to people on social media. I'll force myself to talk to people, like actual people, asking them, so do you have any problems that I can solve? So I'm using Notion right now. This is what Notion can do. Do you feel like this is something that would be helpful for you? So you're not doing sales now. You're basically just asking whether there's a demand for it. And if people tell you that, oh yeah, this is something that might be helpful for me, then just do it for free for them. Oh, let me just create something for you. You see whether this will work for you. And this is number 2. When you find someone that actually might be interested in what you're doing for Notion, that's where you create the templates, you let them use it, you get the feedback loop. So this is the challenging part when you just started out as well. You have no idea whether what you're doing is right or wrong. So it's very, very important to find people that are willing to help you, to collaborate with you, and then you get that important feedback. Number 3, so while the feedback is good, these are not paid customers. So there's a difference between someone willing to pay and someone not willing. The end goal is that we want to make a living, right? So as soon as you get feedbacks, you want to find your first paying customers. It does not matter. It can be $10, $50, $100. When someone is willing to pay, it means that they have a needs. They have a problem it's worth money to solve. So this is where you continue to reach out to people and you get a feedback. Eventually you get your first paid customers. And number 4, honestly, is just consistency with what you're doing. Reach out to people, talk to people, get the feedback, and then create content. So there are different levels. Nowadays, I do YouTubes, I do posting on LinkedIn, I post on Reddit articles, I answer questions from people. Choose one thing. Just get comfortable with it. Don't try to do a lot of things. As long as you can stick to something and do it every day, you definitely get easier and easier. And number 5, I think the most important thing I learned about business is that it is a marathon. So it is not an exam. You don't have people to grade you and you will fail all the times. If this is going to be an exam, I would have been out of business a long time ago. But the cool thing about business is that you're okay to fail. People always reject you, people always judge you. But the key thing is just that once you fail, just pivot. Failure is actually a good thing that you get feedback. So people telling you, no, this is not what I want. Then you ask them, oh, actually, what do you want then? Based on that, you can kind of slowly cater to it. You can find the next person, you get your feedback, and eventually you hit your jackpot. So yeah, if you're hoping to use Notion to make a living of it, these are the 5 experiences that work out for me, and hopefully it can help you as well.